It's GuyExpo-2023 here at the Sapphire site. Persons are excited after 7 years, and businesses are excited about their promotion as well. Tonight I'm here at GBTI booth. GBTI always got great news. With me, my special guest is no other than the branch manager for Water Street, Mr. Bin-Saud Bakhsh. It's a pleasure to have him on our feature. Good night, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great, and it's very exciting times at GBTI. As you can see, we have our Christmas promotion that we're promoting right now, and persons can benefit from up to 400,000 unsecured, meaning there is absolutely no collateral required.
Wow. All right, so we're going to come back to that about this big Christmas promotion. Santa is on a vacation. And what is amazing, GBTI just concluded the drive home promotion and they kicked off Christmas. We're just weeks away from Christmas, and GBTI have another great deal. So you were telling us all about this promotion. Let's talk a little bit. When it would have started?
Yeah, definitely. So the promotion would have started on the 25th of October and it will run until the 31st of December. And again, as mentioned earlier, customers can benefit up to 400,000 unsecured, which requires absolutely no collateral. And they can also benefit up to 700,000 secured. Meaning, for example, if somebody wants to purchase maybe a television set, maybe a new refrigerator, they want to renovate or install that kitchen, we finance that.
All right. And is this just for persons in the public sector or for self-employed as well?
No, it's for self-employed as well as persons who are working for a salary.
Okay. What's the interest rate like?
The interest rate is very, very competitive. It starts at 12%. And of course, the customer has to show that their salary is coming through the account for at least 6 months to qualify.
All right. Now let's talk about how persons can actually cash in on this. For self-employed persons, what are the requirements? What do they need?
The requirements are very, very, very straightforward. All it requires a copy of their ID, passport, proof of address, TIN. If they have the new driver's license, we can use that as a proof of address and TIN. And we don't ask for the financial statement. We just ask for 6 months deposit in an account at GBTI. And from that, the customer can qualify.
And for the public sector now?
And for the salaried persons, all we require is copies of their ID, proof of address, TIN. Again, the new driver's license can work, and their salary has to pass through the account for at least 6 months, or if they're opening a new account, we ask for the salary assignment.
Now we want to talk a little bit about how long would this process take? How long do persons take to get approved?
The turnaround time is fast, very fast, and hence the name Quick Cash Promotion. So it takes only 3 days. And if you have all the documents, possibility exists your loan can be approved the same day and you can get your cash the following day.
So all persons have to do, and this is for all the locations across the country. This is going on for GBTI, right?
Yes, definitely. So we have 12 branches across the length and breadth of Guyana, and the turnaround time is the same across the network.
Now, you would have heard about GBTI Christmas promotion that they have. Guys, I'm urging you to get to any one of the branch and get on board with GBTI. If you're with another bank, I'm urging you to switch to GBTI. They can refinance you not just for a home, but also, they can, if you're a building, if you want to buy a car, you want to buy a house, you want to buy a land. What has been the response this far for the second day persons visiting GBTI booth?
Well, the response has been phenomenal. The response again has been phenomenal. What we are doing here at the GuyExpo, we are pre-approving customers for the Quick Cash Christmas loans. So if you come and you have your documents and we see that you can qualify, we pre-qualify you. You come in to the branch the following day with your documents and your application can be approved. And again, within 24 hours, you can access your cash. It's as simple as that.
GBTI, a bank that you can trust, you can rely on. Now, if you've paid down for a vehicle from an auto dealer, just get on board with GBTI and they will finance that or buy that car for you. And it's easy, your monthly installment, I can tell you it's easy. And you get up to 4 years repayment as well.
Yes, so we have our auto loans that we're offering as well, and the down payment. So if you're buying from a dealer, the down payment is only 20%, and you mentioned 4 years, but our repayment period is actually up to 5 years. So if you're buying a pre-owned or if it's already registered, you're buying it from somebody, the repayment then is 4 years. We also have a group package, whereas if you purchase the vehicle from Bihari Automotive Limited or maybe Ideal Auto, you take the loan from us at GBTI and the insurance from Nalico, you can benefit from a low rate of 6.99. So that is what we're offering the customers out there.
All right, before we go, Mr. Bakhsh, can you just remind our viewers some of the locations across the country for GBTI?
Yes, so definitely. Again, we have 12 branches across the length and breadth of Guyana. So we have the Water Street location, we have the Regent Street location, we have Providence, we have Lethem, we have Freedom Hoop, we have Corriverton, Port Moran, Port Kaituma, we have Parika, we have Bartica, and we have Lethem. So persons can visit any one of those branches and apply for your loan today.
Let's talk a little bit about some of the other services that GBTI is offering.
Definitely. So we have everything under one roof. You come to GBTI, we offer you a suite of solutions. So you come for, let us say, a housing loan. We offer automobile loans, we offer credit card. If you have kids, we offer early savers accounts. We also have our online banking, which is very user-friendly. So rather than you coming in branch, you can transact these businesses online, which is relatively straightforward and easy.
Now, GBTI recently launched their Black Card. Tell our viewers a little bit about that.
Yeah, definitely. So as you can see here, the MasterCard Black, it's actually one of a kind that we're offering at GBTI. It offers exclusivity. Of course, persons will have access to airport lounges when they're traveling and so on. To obtain this here is relatively straightforward. All we require is a copy of your ID, proof of address, TIN, job letter, proof of assets. And we offer up to US $10,000 unsecured, and the card has a limit of up to US $50,000. We also offer our credit card, MasterCard Gold, and this is up to 10,000 US that we are offering unsecured. And of course, this can
say 10,000 US.
Yes, unsecured, which requires absolutely no collateral.
Wow. So I could collect this here now?
Well, we have our experienced and knowledgeable credit officers right to the back there. We can sign you up for one immediately. That's not a problem.
I was hoping you would have said, yeah, just collect it.
I'm sure we can arrange that. I want to encourage those customers who do not have an account with us or a loan, visit any one of our locations. We have our experienced credit officers. They're lined up. They're ready to take in your application. They will have a conversation with you. If you do not qualify for what you're looking for, we will have a discussion with you. And at the end of the day, you will leave GBTI with something.
And I mentioned lastly about if you have anything else to share with our viewers, but what we forget to mention as well too is that if you're with an hire purchase company, you purchase something, whether it's furniture or an appliance, whatever it is, you can come to GBTI and they can purchase all of that, and you just have one monthly installment.
Yes, definitely. So if you have several debts, including maybe an auto loan or a mortgage, and you have a hire purchase agreement with somebody else, you can consolidate everything. You have one fixed monthly affordable installment. We do that for you.
All right, Mr. Bin-Saud, thank you so much for having this chit chat with us, and we wish you guys all the best. GBTI, a trusted bank.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.
Most welcome. Well, viewers, there you heard it from the branch manager of Water Street, Mr. Bakhsh, telling you all about the great deals and services that GBTI have to offer. They're going to give you all the information you need. But if you happen to miss out GuyExpo, you could visit any one of their branch across the country and cash in on the great deals. I'm telling you, stop wasting time and get on board right now.